All right, so today, waterproof flashlight. So this says that it's an 1,000 lumens flashlight that is IP68 waterproof up to 150 meters. 150 meters in feet.
150 meters is equivalent to 492 feet, 1.512 inches.
Wow, 492 feet. That's deep. Chargeable batteries. It says not included. Battery type, so it takes C batteries. Or special thanks to the company for sending it to me. Explore the unknown. Securitylng. Their logo there. Their logo there. Sticker on the side. Made in China on that side. And just company information on the back. At least has an email though. So let's get into this and see. Let's get into this and see exactly what we got going on. So it looks like top will just slide right off. There we go. Now the top will slide off. All right. First things on top is a instruction page, it looks like. Yep. Oh, this is like the manual. They printed the manual. Then, ooh, comes with a little clip. Important notice, please turn on the light before dive. Oh, so this is for diving. Nothing else there. No wonder it's weatherproof. Look at that. That's a lot. Wow. All right, so we're gonna have to get batteries for this. Didn't realize that, but and outside of that, it's really just waterproof. So I don't know what I can drop it down to try, but we'll have to see. Let's first find us some C batteries. I guess we'll just get C-size batteries. So we got to get 3 C batteries for this. Let's go find those. All right, we got our 3 batteries. And pull out that and drop our 3 batteries in place. At least from how that picture shows, they go in all this way. So it's just, so literally you're just supposed to twist it tight. And that cuts the light on. There's no changing of this. This beam that you get is all you get, but it is 1,050 lumens, so that's pretty good. And to turn it off, you just turn that way, and now it's off. So this is submersible. It's waterproof, so I'm gonna throw it in some water just to show you guys, and we'll go outside and see exactly how bright this light is. All right, so we have our light on and some water here. Look at that. Still one thing, take it out, no problems whatsoever. That is pretty cool. Definitely very bright in the house. Let's go out back. Oh, it's actually raining now, but you can, you know, this is my backyard completely pitch black besides my little string light. And then this is my backyard with this light that has the 3 C-type batteries in it. So very, very bright, 1,050 lumens. This is a great flashlight. Just keep you some C batteries close by and you would have a very bright light. I mean, you can see, like, it sees way up into there. What do you think, my queen?
Super bright.
Yeah, but there you go. Very nice, very bright, waterproof. Can't beat it. See you in the next one.